Hey there YouTube, how's it going? So as I'm talking about today, we've got something called a restore point. Within Windows, if you maybe get investigated, if you get checked, something goes bad, the major thing is to save your progress. Have a store point that you can look at and go back to. So this is the restore point, and it's it's usually for newer versions. That's what I'm going to talk about more or less, but yeah. So every week it will do that, and like I said, a lot of people are concerned about, oh, does something get looked at or whatever, where you can basically shut everything down, and when you get it back, which you will here, what you can do is safely and securely pull out a file that you can restore your computer with. For me, I think for sure we were looking at Windows and we're looking at Microsoft, we're looking at the most secure ways to use those apps. And my main thing in a few weeks is I'm going to do a video about the most secure things and the best ways to be using Windows, like the ultimate kind of Windows guide, right? And this is going to be for the Microsoft account though, particularly, but I'll talk about that and I'll show you guys how to really lock on and use the account properly. So set these up. As you can see, these are the instructions. Like I said, I don't have a Windows, but in the future would like to. I would, like I said, use my advice and everything I put down, and kind of with all of this that I've shown you right now, you should be able to fully secure your Windows account. There are other things that I will talk about in the future that are a little bit easier, like realistically not too hard to think about, and these also will not complicate it. I'm trying to connect everything here together, right? So I'm connecting this part of cybersecurity, this part, that part of safety to look at, right? Okay, so with this, first of all, on your Windows account, set this up right now, okay? And that means when something messed up happens, maybe, like I said, in other countries with less free speech, right? That can be the case where they're like, we can look at your device. And Windows obviously is not something that's very safe, right? We obviously know Mac is a lot more safe. And so when I'm telling you guys all these steps, this will make your computer actually more safe than a MacBook, right? Which people don't think about much, but it will. The Android is less safe. The iPhone is more safe. So that's what I'm saying. When you set these things up, you don't have to think about that stuff as often. And all of these things are correct. They're good. So it's what? Windows 11, Windows 10. Yep. Now, Linux, not sure. I'm not sure about Linux, right? It's not my thing, and I get it because there's no JavaScript and all these other things on it, but it's perfectly fine to use this, right? So we can look at this and just go on with it, use it properly. There you go. This is how to recover it. Obviously that's one of the more important things. You obviously don't need that at the moment, but later on you might need that, and you can see that's a quite important thing, right? So if you've been enjoying the videos, I'd like some comments, please. You guys are probably clicking through like this late during the video, so I would like to see like a feedback, a positive, that you've got out of this, right? Again, I always will solve people's problems. I do have an email page, which is my other page I use. I use a bunch of different emails and stuff. But email that one, okay? And from that, I'll, whatever you need. Like, it's probably not going to be too hard for me to figure out. But some things are, but that's more or less like the accounts, which I discussed about, which were annoying. All these different things. But for the list. Goodbye, everyone.